If you're looking for an awesome blood glucose monitoring system, you're gonna wanna check this one out. First off the bat, if this is not properly sealed and is open, reach out to the company. Do not use it. So just to know that right off the bat, you're gonna get, this is 100 pieces. You get test strips and lances as well. I'm gonna show you exactly everything we get. So right here, we have the test strips right here. I'm gonna show you how the whole process works, don't worry. So you get 50 in each bottle. These are the lancets. You get 2 bags of these. You get this cleaning solution right here. You get this bag that will store everything. This is the device itself. And then you have a bunch of direction booklets that walk you through everything. So super easy right over here. So let's get into it. All right, first things first, I'm gonna grab a test strip and I'm just gonna put that in here like that. We're gonna use this right here to do the pricking, and then we're gonna put the blood right up top of here and it's gonna give us a reading. So to do this, you're gonna open this up just like that. You're gonna take your lancet like this. You're gonna take this top off just like that. You'll see that's where it's at. And then you're gonna simply put this in here just like that. Super easy to do. And then we're just gonna put the top on just like that. So it's good to go here. You can adjust this if you need to, or pull this back just like this. And then you're gonna do that. And then you're gonna take this, put it on here. It's gonna give you a reading within 5 seconds. So if you're looking for a great blood glucose monitor that's easy to use, gives you a reading in 5 seconds, definitely check this out. And a big thanks to the brand for sending this over so I could do this review.